You guys, I'm so sad. I'm gonna be selling VanDoodle. So let me give you a tour now that she's empty. It's all nice and cleaned out. I cleaned off the visors and the dashboard and all this stuff. So now you can see what I got in here. These can make drawers, and there too. This is the kitchenette, and this is the bedroom. So let me show you that. Bye. She's got a solar panel, and she's got a shower. So I'm gonna miss all my stickers and all my writings and doodles that everybody has done on this, but now it's time to let someone else play. So I wish you all well. Have a great time in VanDoodle. There goes VanDoodle. Bye, VanDoodle.